this just came on suddenly. And it's coming from that direction. I think we're going to be protected from the garage. Holy cow. They said severe thunderstorm warnings in effect. Alerts have been going off on my phone. I went up to 80-mile-an-hour gusts. There could be a tornado in the area. Yeah, it's coming from the southwest, and the garage is right in the way. So we're on the northeast side of the garage. That'll be a good wind block. As long as the garage don't blow down. Wow. There, it settled down for now. I don't know if it's done yet. Yeah, the warning, severe weather warning, I think is still in effect for the next 45 minutes. So there might be more to come. See, a couple things got blown down in the yard, just an empty 5-gallon bucket, a tarp, go around, pick that stuff up. I did think earlier today, I did see the weather forecast, possible severe weather, so I did make sure the generator was topped off, and you know, the battery was good, so started it up for a little bit and ran it. And it's a good thing because the power is out. We did lose power, and there's probably the power in the house is, I'm sure, is out as well. There's two separate meters, two separate services, so it's probably out in the house as well. So I have enough battery power. I'm sure we can run off my battery power all evening easily. If I need to, I can run the generator though. Oops, I didn't lock that up. And I have the other generator too. My buddy, when he gets home from work, I have the other generator in the garage that I use for the van. He'll probably take that, maybe down on the back porch, run an extension cord for his refrigerator, so I can watch some TV tonight. The house don't have battery power. The coachman does.